Yo, Zrex is in the house and today is Wednesday, and in this video we are playing Gaming Wednesday. So in this video we are playing Would You Rather or either .io, whatever the crap this is. I have done videos of this before and I have got lots of views. Today's plan was going to be playing Happy Wheels, but unfortunately my computer decided to be a dick about it, so we're just going to be playing this. I haven't played this for quite a while, surprisingly, but without further ado, let's begin. So, the first one is... Oh, why are you being like this? I don't know what just happened there, it's just like all spazzed out. Would you rather forget who you were, or forget who everyone you know is? That's quite a hard one to choose for the first first one. Forget who you were, or forget who everyone you know is. I think I will go for forget who I was. Lots of people agree with that, fair enough. The reason being is, if you forget who everyone you know what is, it's just like you acting like you're a twat. But if you forget who you were yourself, you can actually just retrace what's been happening and everything. So I thought it might work. Next one. Would you rather dress only in styles famous 15 years ago, or dress only the way you did when you were 15? Probably dress the way that I was when I was 15, because when I was 15 I did wear quite cool clothes. But now I'm 19, it's getting out of hand. I mean, I'm wearing a freaking shirt right now, come on. So, yeah, I would go with that. Would you rather be a robot or be an alien? I would rather be a robot. The reason... Okay, lots of people have gone for an alien. E.T. phone home, we live long and prosper, whatever from there. I'd rather be a robot because with the intelligence in the universe, I could be really smart. I could, try not to, take over the world, but, you know, I get. Well, then if I was an alien, it's just why would you want to be an alien? Because people probably kill you, but then again, people would probably kill you when you're a robot. But if you're a friendly robot, if people know who Tyson the Robot is from Blackpool, he's quite friendly, even though he's probably somebody dressed up. What? Anyway, for a story that you are interested in, would you rather read the book or see the film? See the film. I don't read books. Books, I don't understand. I don't get the picture with the book, but with a film, I do. I understand it better. Next. Would you rather never be able to eat Chipotle again, or never eat dessert? Chipotle. I've got no idea what Chipotle is, so I'll just press that. Simple as. Would you rather look as fat as Peter Griffin but actually be very healthy, or look toned but actually be very unhealthy? And really, a Facebook Messenger just popped up. To be honest, I really don't know. This was actually quite hard to choose. So would I really want to be a fat person, or would I really want to be skinny but really unhealthy? I think I would go for look tone, but actually be very unhealthy. Reason being is because if you're fat and you're going to be struggling to get into spaces and stuff, but if you're toned, slim, like me, or eat chips and burgers or hot dogs or whatever, then that's fast food. But then again, I do the same. I'm an unhealthy person. It doesn't really affect me. Next one. Would you rather absolute reek of armpits for the rest of your life, or lost your sense of smell completely? Lose the sense of smell. It's a bit obvious because if I smelt of armpits for the rest of my life, I would be having showers every single day. and then I'll be reeking again and again and again. I'd just rather lose as well, so no one can complain. Would you rather live in an abandoned bomb shelter or live in an isolated tower? I will go for an abandoned bombshell. Bombshell. An abandoned bomb shelter. Reason being is because if World War III ever did happen, maybe in 2022, then ta-da, basically. Because I'll be safe. Would you rather string your opponent along for the entire fight or crush them from the beginning? I'll just do that. If anybody's watching this, there you go. Okay, I'm going to do one last one and then I'm going to go. The last one is, would you rather play GoldenEye on the N64 or play Halo on the Xbox? I absolutely hate Xbox, so I'm going to go for the N64. I'm a PlayStation kid. I don't particularly like Xbox. But since I know there's been a for and against between Xboxes and PlayStations, but I just prefer PlayStation than Xbox, not gonna lie. So, yeah. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to ZRex, and I'll see you again in the next video.